Hi guys, welcome to Tactics Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to integrate Shopify with Wix. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now we will be showing you in today's video how you will be able to connect Shopify and Wix together. So we will be demonstrating on how you can make them interact. Now, unfortunately, there is no direct or official integration that would allow us to connect Shopify and Wix together. So we will be using Wix automation together with Zapier that will allow us to connect both Shopify and Wix together. And I will also explain how you could connect them both and what are the different features that you could do with them being connected together. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is, of course, have an account in both Shopify and Wix. That's the most important part. After that, you're going to need your website, of course. You're going to have to create your online store because, of course, Shopify is an online store and you can create online store in Wix. So that's also a very important feature. You need both of them to be an online store. And let's first create a new site over here by clicking on the new site option over here on the right side. And you will be able to create your online store by using Wix. So simply click on create on Wix editor over here, and you could follow the process that I'm going with right now. You can simply select online store, and by doing all the process that is required for you, you will be able to create your very own online store. After you do that, you will be able to now open the dashboard for a specific website that you have created. Assuming right now that we have already created our online store, all you need to do is to click on this option over here, My Sites on the top, and you will be able to see the specific website that you have created. So simply select that option, and after selecting that option, you will be redirected to the dashboard of that specific website. And as you can see in this section, this is now where we will be able to handle all the back part or the backstage of our Wix website. Now over here on the left side, you can notice that there are a lot of different options over here. What you're going to have to look for is the automation. Simply click this, and after that, you will be able to see a new page over here, a new option. Now, we're going to be creating an automation in Wix, and we will be showing you how to do it. You're going to click on New Automation over here on the top right, and after opening this, you will be able to see all of this option. You could select any of this automation actually. You could also use them for your own automation, not related to what we're trying to do now. You could also use them to do whatever you would like it to do. But for us, usually, you would like to use the sell more online options over here. There are different online options such as email visitors to recover abandoned carts, invite customers back via emails, send coupons when a card is available, send a coupon to a visitor who submitted a form, recover abandoned cards with 2 emails, and thank customers to pay an invoice. Those are the different options that we have for sell more online. Although for what we're going to do right now, it doesn't really matter which type of automation we will be using. So let's simply select a random one, click on setup, and we will be able to begin creating our option over here. So now what we're going to do is you're going to edit the trigger over here. We're going to click this on edit, and we're going to select Wix store. Make sure that this is selected, and the trigger is store ordered place. And we're also going to fix it. Instead of having a specific product as the option selected, you should have it as all products. And let's zoom out for a bit over here. Over here, the next step is it will send an email. This is the correct option right now, send an email. And you could edit the details over here. You could change it to sender's name or reply to email. You could change the emails over here, or you could also create an email. The important thing is it will have a trigger where someone orders on Wix. It will send you an email, and that would allow you to be notified that an automation has occurred or an order has occurred. Now after this, you're simply going to click on activate over here on the top right. So click that, and you have to wait. After this, you're going to head now to Zapier. Also, like I said earlier, you have to have an account in Shopify and Wix already. And there we go, our automation is now active. So whenever someone orders something on our Wix.com, it will send us an email, and that would allow us to know that someone has ordered. Now go to Zapier. After you already have your accounts set up, now you're simply going to click on over here, or over here, create Zap over here on the right side, or the left side rather, and click on create Zap. Zapier is a platform that would allow us to create automations, or what you call Zap, and whenever something happens on a platform, it will also trigger an action on another platform. So you could use Zapier for other purposes. You're not limited to Shopify and Wix. There's also a lot of different things that you can do with it. And as you can see here, you have a trigger and an action. Now, trigger is, of course, the event that will happen that will start the automation, and then the action will be the action or the after effect that would happen. So click on trigger. And as you can see, already there's a lot of different platforms over here, a lot of different apps, and there's over 5,000 more that you could use. But we're going to use Wix, and you're going to have to select Wix automation. And there we go. And after that, you're going to have to click on event over here. You're going to have to choose an event. So it has this automation rule. It will use your predefined automation rules as a trigger. So basically what you did here, this is your automation. It will scan your account later when you log it in, and it will use this as the rule. And I have that, and then simply click on continue. And now you're going to have to log in or sign in with your Wix account. When you sign in Wix over here, you will be able to connect the Wix to Zapier. After that, we're going now to set up our action. So simply click on action over here and simply search Shopify. And as you can see, we have Shopify over here. And you can also choose now the event that will happen when you receive the order in Wix. Let's explain again the automation. You will be able to receive an email when someone orders something on your store. Now what Zapier does is, once that automation, it doesn't really matter whether it's an email or something, as long as this automation occurs or activates, it will notify that Zapier should enable or start the automation that we are creating right now. So once someone triggers this automation in Wix, our Shopify will now be able to do all of this other things over here. You can also create a new order right away. So basically, when someone orders on Wix, they could order it on Shopify already, because the option here, you have the option to create a product. Where is it? Create a product. And you can also create customers, create blog entry, app extensions, all of this list of options that you are seeing right now. These are the different things that you could do with Shopify, and the different things that you could do with Shopify with Wix. These are the different things. So depending on what you would like them to interact with or what you would like them to do together, you could choose the specific event options that you have over here and use them for your automation. And of course, after setting this up, you're also going to have to connect your account with Shopify. You're going to have to follow the process. And after that, you can simply click on Fix to Publish over here on the top right, or this option over here, which would allow you to publish this specific automation. And through that, let's explain the process. You will be able to have an automation or an integration between Shopify and Wix by using a third platform called Zapier. And so that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.